Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Shiro Vision with some new pieces of news for you. India's five states where COVID is still beyond the roof. Kerala now accounts for almost half of the country's daily COVID cases. The southern state recorded 17,466 new infections on Sunday against the national tally of 39,361. The average daily cases in Kerala rose by nearly 16% in the last 1 week alone. Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Maharashtra, and Tamil Nadu are the four states which are the highest number of average daily infections during the same period. Odisha is battling with the continuous rise in average daily deaths. From an average of 10 fatalities daily on May 1, the number rose to 34 on June 1 to 43 on June 1 on July 1 and to 65 on July 26. Of the five states that appear in the top 5 contributors of COVID cases in India, now 4 of them have reduced average daily testing in the last 1 week. It dropped 12% in the Andhra Pradesh, 1.6% in Kerala, 6.6% in Maharashtra, and 2.9% in Tamil Nadu. Adding to the concern, the pace of vaccination has also fallen in 3 of the states with the maximum cases. The average daily vaccinations dropped by more than 35% in Andhra Pradesh and Maharashtra, while it contracted by 14% in Tamil Nadu in the last 1 week. Porn videos cases. What happened when crime branch reached Shilpa Shetty house with Raj Kundra? Actor Shilpa Shetty broke down and shouted at her husband Raj Kundra, an accused in the porn videos case, when the crime branch reached her Juhu home on Friday to record her statement in the matter, officials said. She claimed to have no connection with Hot Shots, a subscriber driving mobile app where allegedly the porn videos were being produced and distributed. An emotional Shilpa apparently told her husband that the matter is portraying the family in a bad light and several endorsements have suffered and backed off in the wake of the case, official present at her residence said. During the 6 hours of questioning on the Friday, Raj Kundra told Shilpa that he was innocent and did not make porn but erotica. He said the case against him would not stand in the court of law. After recording her statement, a senior crime branch officer said the actor has no involvement in the matter until now. Hence, there would not be any further questioning. Shilpa Shetty has no role to play in the case. Till now, no involvement of Shilpa Shetty was found in the case. We are therefore not going to question her again, the officer said. Tokyo Olympics, Sharat Kamal loses 4-1 to defending champion India's table tennis challenge aims. Achanta Sarat Kamal on Tuesday lost 1-4 to Chinese defending champion Ma Long in third round of the men's singles at the Tokyo Olympics. Sharat's defeat marks the end of the Indian challenge in table tennis in Tokyo. It may have been a mismatch on paper. Sharat is placed 32 seconds on the international rankings and seeded 20th in the Olympics, while Long is third and seeded second. But the Indian kept up with his opponent for the first 3 games. Sharat lost the first game 7-11, but then upped the ante in the second to reach to an 8-4 lead. Long cut it back to 8-8 after, with Sharat on to consecutive points to reach to game points. He converted it in his first attempt, thus taking the second 11-8. The third game went on an even nil, with both players cutting each other's leads. Sharat forced the game into duels and Long eventually won 13-11. The Chinese then come out all the guns blazing in the fourth game, racing to a 6-0 lead before Sharat managed to get his first point. The game eventually ended 11-4 in the favor of Chinese player. India lost 29,689 fresh COVID-19 cases, lowest since March 16. India registered 29,689 new COVID-19 cases and 415 deaths in the last 24 hours. The Union Health Ministry data said on Tuesday. This is the lowest daily case tally in India since March 16. Top 5 states which have registered maximum cases are Kerala with 11,586 cases, followed by Maharashtra with 4,877 cases, Tamil Nadu with 1,785 cases, Odisha with 1,637 cases, Andhra Pradesh with 1,627 cases. These 5 states for 72.45% of the new COVID-19 cases, with the Kerala alone responsible for 39.02% of the new cases. Maximum death cases were reported in the Kerala, followed by Odisha with 62 daily deaths. India recovery rate now stands on 97.39% of the total of 42,363 patients recovered in the last 24 hours, which brings the total recoveries to 3,621,469 across the country. India's active cash load stands at 3,98,100. In the last 24 hours, active cases declined by 13,089. On the vaccine front, of total of 66,03,112 doses were administered in the last 24 hours, which brings the total tally of doses administered to 44,019 lakh 12,395.
জিরো ভিশন, সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। জিরো ভিশন। জিরো ভিশন আজ কলকাতা তথা গ্রাম বাংলার পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সাধারণ মানুষের পাশে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছে। জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। আপনারাও পারেন জিরো ভিশনের মতন সবার পাশে এসে দাঁড়াতে। আসুন না, সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিই। আপনারা যদি সাহায্য করতে চান, তলার এই নাম্বারগুলোর সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন। প্রত্যেকটাই আমাদের জিরো ভিশন সংস্থার নাম্বার। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন।
That's it for today for me and my team. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and stay at home. If you like our channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.